Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a world where opulence meets the extraordinary. We're diving headfirst into the world of luxury, but not just any luxury, the kind that makes your heart skip a beat. Imagine stepping into a realm where every detail is meticulously crafted to offer an unparalleled experience. Forget about flashy cars and designer handbags for a second. While they have their charm, we're focusing on something deeper, something more meaningful. We're talking about experiences, about moments that stay with you long after the price tag is forgotten. Picture yourself unwinding in a serene spa, where the soothing sounds of nature blend with the gentle touch of expert hands. True luxury is about feeling something special, something extraordinary. It's about savoring a meal crafted by a Michelin-starred chef, where each bite is a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. It's about those goosebump-inducing moments that money can't buy, but it can certainly enhance. Imagine soaring above a tropical paradise, the wind in your hair, and the world at your feet. It's about crafting memories that become a part of your story. Envision a romantic carriage ride through a picturesque countryside, where every turn reveals a new, breathtaking view. Think about it, that feeling of awe when you witness something truly breathtaking, like a sunset cruise along a vibrant coastal city, where the sky is painted in hues of orange and pink. The adrenaline rush of a once-in-a-lifetime adventure, such as a safari expedition, where you come face to face with majestic wildlife in their natural habitat. The joy of sharing an unforgettable experience with loved ones, like staying in a family villa with a private pool, where the sound of the waves lulls you to sleep. That's the magic we're after. Imagine a night where the sky is illuminated by a spectacular fireworks display over a grand castle, each burst of light a testament to the beauty of the moment. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling journey into the heart of a $50,000 luxury surprise, a journey that promises to be as exhilarating as it is unforgettable. Picture a hot air balloon ride over majestic mountains, where the world below seems to pause, allowing you to take in the grandeur of nature in all its glory. This is more than just a trip, it's a collection of moments that will stay with you forever. Imagine having an entire private island to yourself, where pristine beaches and lush greenery create a paradise just for you. This is the essence of true luxury, experiences that transcend the ordinary and become a part of your soul. Envision a luxurious train journey through scenic landscapes, where every window frames a new masterpiece of nature. This is the kind of luxury that leaves an indelible mark on your heart. Or perhaps an underwater hotel room, where you can watch marine life glide by as you drift off to sleep. These are the moments that define true luxury. Moments that are as rare as they are beautiful. Picture a mountain lodge with a roaring fireplace, where snow-capped peaks create a winter wonderland outside your window. This is the kind of experience that warms your soul and creates memories that last a lifetime. Imagine a vineyard tour, where you can taste the finest wines in a picturesque setting, each sip a celebration of the art of winemaking. This is the essence of true luxury experiences that elevate the ordinary to the extraordinary. Or a beachside cabana with private butler service, where every need is anticipated and every moment is designed for your pleasure. This is the kind of luxury that makes you feel truly special. Finally, imagine a penthouse suite with a rooftop infinity pool, where the city skyline stretches out before you and the world feels like it's at your feet. This is the pinnacle of luxury, an experience that is as breathtaking as it is unforgettable. And to top it all off, a private concert with a world-renowned artist, where the music resonates with your soul and creates a memory that will last a lifetime. This is the essence of true luxury, experiences that are as unique as they are unforgettable. Let's be honest, finding something truly unique in a world saturated with luxury can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. In a market overflowing with opulence, the challenge isn't just about finding something expensive, but something that stands out, something that tells a story. It's like trying to pick out the most dazzling diamond in a sea of sparkly, but ultimately ordinary stones. Each one may glitter, but only a few truly shine with a brilliance that captures the heart and imagination. But fear not, my friends, the thrill of the hunt is part of the fun. It's the journey of discovery that makes the destination so rewarding. The excitement of the search, the anticipation of finding that perfect piece, is what makes the experience so exhilarating. It's about sifting through the ordinary to uncover the extraordinary, about unearthing an experience that's not just luxurious, but also deeply personal and meaningful. It's about finding that one item or experience that resonates on a deeper level, that speaks to your soul and tells a story only you can understand. Imagine for a moment the perfect gift. Not just any gift, but one that has been chosen with care and thought. One that reflects the recipient's personality and desires. Not just any gift, but a $50,000 gift. A gift that isn't just about the price tag, but about the value it brings, the joy it imparts, and the memories it creates. It has to be more than just an item. It has to be an experience, a story waiting to be told. It's about creating a moment that will be cherished forever, a memory that will be relived time and time again. It has to be something that speaks to the soul, something that whispers of adventure, indulgence, and pure, unadulterated joy. It's about finding that perfect balance between luxury and meaning, between extravagance and personal connection. That, my friends, is the challenge we've set for ourselves. To find that one-of-a-kind experience that's worth every penny of that $50,000 price tag. It's about embarking on a journey to discover the extraordinary, to find that diamond in the rough that will shine brighter than any other. So join us as we delve into the world of luxury, seeking out the most unique and unforgettable experiences that money can buy. Let's uncover the hidden gems that await us and create memories that will last a lifetime. Now let's talk about the meticulous process of selecting this extraordinary surprise. It's a journey that begins with a spark of inspiration and evolves through countless hours of dedicated effort. This isn't just about throwing money at something expensive and calling it a day. It's about understanding the essence of what makes an experience truly luxurious and memorable. Oh no, this is about crafting an experience, a symphony of details orchestrated to create a truly unforgettable moment. Each element is carefully chosen to harmonize with the others, creating a seamless and enchanting experience. Imagine a team of experts, each a maestro in their own right, coming together to curate the perfect surprise. These individuals bring their unique skills and perspectives to the table, ensuring that every aspect of the experience is meticulously planned and executed. They analyze every detail, from the recipient's passions and desires to the latest trends in luxury experiences. This deep understanding allows them to create something that resonates on a personal level, making the surprise even more special. They consider every angle, every nuance, every tiny detail that could elevate this surprise from ordinary to extraordinary. It's about finding that perfect balance between creativity and precision, ensuring that nothing is left to chance. This is where the magic truly happens, where creativity meets meticulous planning, and where a simple idea transforms into an experience that's as unique and special as the person it's intended for. The process is akin to composing a symphony, where each note, each pause, and each crescendo is carefully crafted to evoke a specific emotion and create a lasting memory. Behind the scenes, there's a flurry of activity, with each team member playing their part to perfection. From the initial brainstorming sessions to the final execution, every step is taken with the utmost care and attention to detail. And when the moment finally arrives, the recipient's reaction is the ultimate reward. The joy, the surprise, the sheer delight on their face is a testament to the hard work and dedication that went into creating this extraordinary experience. It's a moment of reflection and satisfaction for the team, knowing that they have not only met, but exceeded expectations. This is the true essence of a symphony of details, where every element comes together to create something truly magical and unforgettable. Picture this. The stage is set, the anticipation is palpable, and the air crackles with excitement. This isn't just about handing over a gift, it's about creating a moment, a grand reveal that's as spectacular as the surprise itself. Imagine the recipient's face as the curtains are drawn back, revealing the embodiment of their wildest dreams. It could be anything, a private concert with their favorite musician, a once-in-a-lifetime trip to a far-off land, or perhaps an exclusive experience tailored to their deepest passions. The possibilities are endless, limited only by imagination. This is the moment where dreams become reality, where surprise gives way to pure, unadulterated joy. Section 5. The $50,000 question. What's in the box? Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, the grand unveiling of our $50,000 luxury surprise. But first, let's take a moment to savor the anticipation. What could it be? What extraordinary experience awaits behind this veil of secrecy? Is it a thrilling adventure, a luxurious getaway, or perhaps something completely unexpected? The possibilities are as vast as the imagination itself. But one thing is for certain, this is no ordinary gift. This is an experience meticulously crafted to create a lasting impression, a memory that will be cherished for years to come. So, without further ado, let's unveil the surprise and discover the magic that awaits. Section 6. An experience engraved in memory, the gift that keeps on giving. The true beauty of a luxury experience lies not in its monetary value, but in its ability to create lasting memories that transcend time. It's about the emotions it evokes, the stories it inspires, and the connections it forges. Imagine the recipient returning from their extraordinary adventure, their heart brimming with joy, and their mind abuzz with unforgettable memories. The experience becomes a part of their story, a tale they recount with a twinkle in their eye and a warmth in their heart. This is the true essence of a $50,000 luxury surprise, a gift that keeps on giving, a memory that continues to spark joy long after the experience itself has ended. Section 7. Your luxury, your voice. Share the excitement. Now it's your turn to join the conversation. What's your dream $50,000 luxury experience? What adventure would make your heart skip a beat and leave you with memories to last a lifetime? Share your thoughts, your dreams, your wildest luxury desires. Let's create a symphony of aspirations, a chorus of excitement for the extraordinary experiences that await. Because luxury is not just about the experience itself, it's about sharing the joy, the anticipation, and the thrill of the unknown with others. Section 8. Until next time, the journey of luxury continues. As we bid adieu to this particular adventure in luxury, remember that the pursuit of the extraordinary never truly ends. There's always a new experience to be had, a new memory to be made, a new story to be written. So keep dreaming big, keep seeking the unforgettable, and keep embracing the magic of luxury in all its forms. And who knows, maybe next time we'll be unveiling your dream $50,000 surprise. Until then, keep living the luxurious life, my friends. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible journeys.